Look at our brand.
My shirt big.
And Trey. In this video, we're gonna do a Q&A slash mukbang. Let's go to the top. I say see, but it's wings, water fries, whatever else she put on.
Some fish. He talking about whatever else because he don't eat that. Okay, the first question gonna be,
How good is this food?
I'm hungry. Okay, I'm hungry. They said we're gonna start slow. They said who'll take longer to get ready? Me.
Why?
Cause I move slow and I be procrastinating a lot, and then I always find something else that needs to be done.
She basically said she just be wasting time. We gotta tell her we gotta be somewhere an hour earlier than what we gotta than what time we yesterday.
Not too much.
I think most girls will take forever to get ready. Cause they do all the extra stuff. Boys just shit, get ready. Girls they get over ready.
Not too much.
I'll be done. We don't start doing more stuff.
Another one is, what's your favorite memory together? My favorite memory with him is when we went to Six Flags, because I've never been, and yo, I'm scared of getting on big rides. And we got on every single ride there. Like,
Six Flags was fun. My favorite memory. I don't know, we do a lot of stuff.
it's getting soft on all this.
I don't think I got a favorite memory.
How?
I like everything we do. Nothing just turned out. What's the next question? I'm not you go ahead.
You're making a mess. What's my love language?
Physical time.
Yours is too. Ooh, or quality time.
Yeah.
Who knows who better?
How you want to decide that? Ask 3 questions.
Yeah,
What's the 2 questions?
I don't know. No.
You just ask one, I ask it. Or just go and take yours.
Okay. What's your favorite food?
Was it yours or mine?
Mine.
Favorite? I could put different things. I can say different things. I really like macaroni. I really like fish. No, neither one of those is in the top. At the top.
Fish.
Fishes. That's your favorite? Okay. What's my favorite food?
Baked beans.
Well, let me try.
Chipotle. Right now.
This enough?
With hot sauce is good.
Yeah.
You don't like it?
That's good. I don't eat it again. That didn't result. That didn't prove anything.
Yo, you got the next question.
Oh, my turn? I wasn't actually because we were just talking about it.
What was?
I don't know. Let's do it this way. I know you better.
No.
Yeah.
No, you better.
No.
Ooh, where do you see us in 5 years?
In 5 years. Okay, let's be for real. Okay. Right now, I'm in my first year of college. I got 3 more years. 5 years will be 2 years after college. I see us transitioning. I see us getting more comfortable with the transition from college to living with each other. I see us both kind of in the beginning of our dream careers, but really just a good start. I don't know how to explain it. I see us starting our big future. Yeah, like starting our life. Starting our real adult life. You know?
I'm just in a different city.
Yeah.
What else?
I see us on a lot of YouTube trips.
Yeah. We're traveling.
Traveling a lot. Posting a lot. Consistent.
Yeah. I see our brand being bigger. Excuse me.
Why you don't be eating it? Why you don't be eating chicken?
I did just eat some chicken.
How many pieces?
One. It's right there.
How many pieces is it?
It was 6.
Oh, sorry.
No, you got 2 more. No, you got.
Why do you always do this?
Cause.
Okay.
I know that. Oh. Oh, what's one thing you miss the most when we apart?
What'd you say?
What's one thing you miss the most when we apart?
Your touch.
See. Not miss him get on my nerves. Like, Just the little stuff.
You miss me getting on your nerves. Who be getting on your nerves?
You.
You be getting on my nerves.
You be getting on my nerves. It say, how has being in college changed our relationship?
It got us more mature. I feel like we already mature.
Yeah, it definitely got us more mature. I feel like we don't have a choice but to talk situations out whenever we had them. What the question asked? Oh, and I feel like another thing, like, you know how sometimes when you having a problem within your relationship, y'all actually need to see each other to like talk it out. It make it harder sometimes because we don't see each other as often. So sometimes we still on those problems when we're not supposed to. Yeah, that's a good area. Excuse me. It said, who came up with the idea for the brand? For the clothing brand?
Who did?
I feel like it was his idea. But I instantly like jumped on the idea when he brought it up because I'm all for saving money and being prepared for things. And this also like a good journey. It's about God. I'm doing it with him. So like, why not? We spreading the gospel. We building something together. Why not? Oh, and we saving money. Like, yeah. It said, what's your favorite piece from our collection? Our collection just getting started, but I will have to say it's our jackets. And specifically the black one. Y'all ain't saw that yet, but y'all will. If y'all go watch our other video, y'all see the pink jacket, or we'll insert a picture somewhere here or something around the screen. What else? Oh, let's say, how do we balance business in our relationship? I feel like it's not really hard.
It's not.
And I got a different business. That one, so I cook, I sell plates. So with that business, it's very time consuming, but that's what I want to do, so I'm gonna make time for it. But I also gotta make time for everything that I do. I'm in school, I work a job, I got a boyfriend, just a lot of different things on my plate. But I make time for everything. If you really want to do something, you're gonna make time for it. So yeah, that's just how I feel about that. What else? Oh, they say, what inspires the designs behind the brand? For our brand, in my opinion, is God. That's what our brand is based off of. And yeah, we just make pieces centered around him and whatever comes to our mind. How you feel? What I said?
Yeah, what you said.
Oh, it said, what is like building a brand while in school?
The same way as building a brand. How it's good. I can't even say it's hard. I feel like it'll probably be hard to feel like. I feel like it'll be hard to feel just me. Because now I have two brains instead of just one. So when I'm halfway focused on the brand, halfway focused on school, when you got another brain, so now I got a brain and a half instead of just half a brain. You know?
Two brains.
half my brain is school. No, half your brain is school. Half your brain in the brain. Half my brain is school. Half my brain in the brain. We got one full brain.
That's real. Oh, okay.
How you be eating this?
Bread? You
Yeah.
just eat it.
No, how you be eating it?
I was hungry.
How do you be eating it?
What you mean? Just eat it.
You be just eat the bread, just plain.
Oh, did I answer the question? How it's like building a friend in school?
No.
Oh, it can go back to the last thing I said. If you want to do something, you're going to make time for it. You're going to put some effort towards it. If you want to be something, you need to put some work in. Nothing in life is going to get handed to you. And, yeah. Right?
Mm-hmm. You want the last one?
I just want this piece.
Nigga.
You are, do I eat this part on the chicken or is that big? Because I be eating it.
You dirty. Oh, what the fuck?
Y'all, just the little piece right there.
No, there's no way you should be eating it. Yeah. Why'd you even put that shit down?
I really eat it. If you go back in the video, I ate every single one.
You would never catch me eating that.
Okay. What's some more questions? Who has better fashion sense? You know?
Bro.
What?
That's real.
Yeah, I'm gonna be caring. Don't be some sweatpants and a shirt. No, I don't.
Okay. Next question.
Who's more organized when it comes to the brand? It depends on which aspect you're talking about.
No. It's in the middle. No. Yeah, dude, depends what you're talking about. You more, I say you more organized, like, more on the outside. Like, when it comes to actually doing it, but I'm more organized on the inside. Like, I'll be making notes and stuff. I'll be making notes for everything. But I'll be forgetting about it. So I'll be organizing. You go out with it. You go through with the organized plan.
It's a what's a funny behind the scenes moment from a photo shoot? You all in those pink jacket pictures, I had a nightgown on. That's why you don't see nothing from the bottom. That's a funny moment. Right?
That's not funny.
Yes, it is. They wouldn't have never knew that until I told them.
Look at this.
And usually I eat way more musty than him. I was scared to eat in this white shirt.
You be way more musty than me?
No, I eat more messy than you. Not musty.
I thought you said musty. I was gonna say.
It's
I
a
look different. We only got one viewer on TikTok.
0 now. It says what's the dream for our brand 5 years from now?
Rich.
No, I want a lot of people to experience God through our brand. That's what I want from 5 years from now. I want so many people to have a piece of our brand so they can have a piece of God with them at all times. That's what I want 5 years from now.
Yeah, and I hope these shirts right here, people learn something new from reading it. It's most definitely growing on me though. It's growing on you?
Mhm.
Eat that last fry.
No, I don't want that.
So you're not gonna eat that after I broke it?
I am. Look. Y'all, I learned that hack. Y'all see what I'm doing? You push all the chicken down. And you can eat it in one bite.
That's a good hack.
And y'all, I think we're gonna wrap the video up here now. Our food's done. We was very, very hungry.
Give me a kiss.